What's the plan?
There is no plan.
Okay. Thank you for checking out the video. We're here with Eric on his Talaria. I'm on the Razor, obviously. Gonna show him real quick. Woo! These trails over here. And then we might meet up with a bigger group. I don't know. We'll see. Doesn't seem like a ton of people are out tonight, but we'll see. I honestly don't mind the smaller group rides anyways, because then you can kind of do whatever you want. Don't have to wait as much. Trail entrance right up here. Well, the hill climb entrance at least. Go pop right up this. Whew. Oh, a big rock. Oh, it's dark in here. Usually they have lights set up above, but I've also got my goggles on. Doesn't help. And then I think there's a tree down right up here with the gogs off. Woo! Bumpy. It's fun. It's small, but then we got an entrance over here, I think. See if it's for passable. Dude, there's trees down all through here. Wow. Didn't realize how bad this was. This takes concentration. Oh my god, I'm just eating bugs right now. Whew. Alright, so Eric and I were having a tough time figuring out where exactly we want to ride, but I'm just going to lead this thing. Oh, you guys, some potentially exciting news for the channel. I have been talking to a certain someone about upgrading my already upgraded motor on the Razor. So there may or may not be a future video with this thing getting even more power. So keep an eye peeled for that. Super excited to work with the company that I'm going to be working with. So can't wait. Bridge closed. Boo-hoo. Gapped him. So much power, dude. Dude, you were flying. I can't believe you... 72. Dude, how did it feel though? Sketchy?
It felt fine, honestly. I just, you just feel like everything's winding the fuck.
Is that the fastest you've gone on it?
That's the fastest I've gone on.
Yeah, dude, those are these speeds where you're like, did I torque that bolt correctly? Right. I wonder when this is going to be opened back up. Replacing the bridge. At least I think they were. They're like restoring the bridge. Slow it down. Tried to kick the cone. That would have been karma. How insulted must these people sitting in traffic feel about me on a mini bike driving faster than them, also doing a wheelie faster than them? They must feel bad. Tell you what, the sky looks beautiful. All right, so we're now heading back to the art museum because I think we mistakenly ditched the skateboard that was with us. Little racing. Inside line. Alright, so this has been a bit of an aimless ride, but now we're riding down the river trail to go to the skate park because apparently a couple of dudes are there. I have no idea. I'm gonna hit this. You gotta send it. This is the sketchy part. Alright, I'm pulling up to the skate park now. Here they are. What's good? How we doing? Jay, nice to meet you. Connor. Connor. What's up, Connor? Nice to meet you. What's good, bro? How you doing? Good, how are you? Good. Woo! Look, Eric will send it. Woo! You're the leader, dude. Ooh, the fresh smell of two-stroke, baby. Yes, sir. This way we go. Okay, we're gonna go around City Hall. Hey, look who's here. Yo, I'll wave to you. What's up? Look who came along. I hear him wheeling. Shay, we need your redemption. Woo! Okay, now we made it to South Street. It's still pretty busy for a Tuesday night. It's popping right now. Or South Broad, I don't know if I said South Street. There we go, Shade. There we go. Watch the car. Woo. Neenox are slowly coming along here. There we go. Alright, gonna go get a brew because we're thirsty and have to piss. Just up at this place called 2nd District. It's pretty good, had a couple beers. Can ride right inside. But I think I'm about to go home. Had a good night still though, nevertheless. Just grabbed a beer with a homie. Can we stop? Oh shit. Oh, we're just ripping through now, fellas. Just shredding. Dude. Eric is all the way up there. All right, back to the art museum. Little wave. This thing looks sweet, bro.
That's the arm.
You got the gator seat cover? Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a fun night out ripping it. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We have so much coming, not only to the channel, but to this bike. Even more upgrades if you can believe it. So I appreciate all the support I get here and on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at Connor G Media. Post so much there. Oh, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe here on the tube. But I will catch you guys next time though. Peace.